The 472-kilometer-long railway has been hailed as the largest single infrastructure project since Kenya gained independence in 1963. But a stretch of about 6 kilometers seems to be stirring a dispute between the government and conservationists. The line is set to pass through Nairobi's National Park, a move activists are adamant is harmful to wildlife in one of the country's oldest wildlife sanctuaries.
When the southern bypass and the realignment of the railway was being done a couple of months ago, some of those animals were disturbed and they walked out of the park, and people actually found them in estates.
Dozens of protesters have presented a petition at the headquarters of the Kenya Wildlife Services calling for a rerouting of the railway. The KWS say they will conduct an impact assessment test to factor in environmental and social effects of the construction. The protesters, however, say that it's too late for that because plans were already underway for the railway to cross through the park, which is historically Maasai ancestral land.
We will not agree to that, and we want KWS to give us a satisfactory answer, to give us word that they'll protect the park and not give it to Kenya Railways to put up the infrastructure.
Our voice is loud and clear. There is no way, as ordinary Kenyans, we will allow the standard gauge railway through Nairobi National Park. It is not negotiable, full stop.
The SGR is part of a package of deals signed between Kenya and China in 2013. But financial analyst Alikan Sachu says the benefits of infrastructure development should not outweigh the economic value of a protected environment and wildlife.
I don't think that there should be a binary question, national park or railway. I find it strange that we have been given it in such a manner. Surely, in the 21st century, you can be innovative, you can go round the park, you can do something which avoids this denigration of what is a national asset. I think sometimes people don't understand how to value conservation in hard money, but it has an enormous value.
Kenya's game parks and abundant wildlife drew tourists from across the globe, but the government has said that must not stop the East African nation from building infrastructure to speed up development in a country where poverty remains rife. Leslie Mirungu, CCTV.